You guys, I have really bad news. Robots are stealing American jobs. And here's how we can benefit from this. Tessa Lau founded Dusty Robotics in 2018. She is the daughter of Chinese immigrants. She holds a PhD in machine learning. She was doing a remodeling project at her own home and realized that technology could really advance construction. So she created the field printer, which takes BIM data and does a full layout, multi-trade directly on the cement of a construction site. This takes the job from 5 days down to 2 days. So Bob here still has a job, but now his job is a lot easier. And when we use robotics, we decrease the errors by 95%. So here's why this is important. In 2024, construction companies had $315.5 billion in rework expense. Now close to 50% of that was just bad data. It wasn't even somebody making a mistake. So you can see how by using robotics, you're decreasing expenses, decreasing amount of time that someone like Bob would have to do the work, and you're also saving millions and millions of dollars. The second company is called Canvas. It was founded by Kevin Elbert and Maria Telleria. Maria is a Mexican immigrant who came to the US when she was 14 years old. She holds a PhD from MIT. So they created a robot that does the final 2 stages of drywall. So in construction, drywall is notoriously a tedious job. The first 3 phases you probably have seen if you've ever been in your garage, and perhaps you've seen the tape. That's just very basic, level 1 or level 2. In your home, in your interior walls, it's level 5. So it's very fine, takes a long time to get there. And in fact, by using Canvas Robotics, you can go from 7 days to only 2 days. So Jose here still has a job, but he's able to do his job a lot quicker. Now this is important because at any given time in the US, we have close to 500,000 unfilled construction jobs. So we need robotics to absorb some of that work. And actually what's interesting is that by using robotics, using technology, Gen Z is entering construction at a record pace because they're now seeing that, you know what, these construction jobs aren't backbreaking and tedious and full of rework. They're actually tech-enabled. They're actually really cool, fun jobs. So let's think about robotics differently. Yes, robots are stealing our jobs, but they're stealing our jobs in a good way. So look at a problem you're trying to solve, maybe a startup idea that you have, or something that you see every day in your life. How can robotics make that job easier?